See how the LabLab AI event winners used Clarify and Tonic technologies to create groundbreaking apps in areas such as talent acquisition, project management, recovery support, and more. Story Prep, our first place winner, generates vocabulary sheets and listening exercises based on any uploaded story. No more struggling with dictionaries, just uninterrupted reading and language acquisition. A Slack bot, second place winner, automatically records transcripts and sends summaries. Project managers can also get daily summaries with a simple command. Third place winner, RecoverPal uses AI to personalize affirmations, journal prompts, and even meditation sessions. Features include daily check-ins, art therapy integration, and secure data storage. Meet the finalists. Say goodbye to lengthy complaint reviews. Food Complaint Resolution System uses images and descriptions to streamline food delivery complaints, offering faster refunds. Branching Reading Adventure personalized, interactive stories for children with learning disabilities, fostering a love for learning. IQ creates targeted, AI-powered videos to attract both active and passive job seekers, bridging the employee gap. Are you ready to join the ranks of top AI builders? Your journey begins with LabLab AI, where imagination and AI merge to solve real-world challenges.